Hey everyone, Anthony Labella here with eXp Realty. As we all know, you practically need to sell a kidney to afford a house on Long Island. But that's exactly why I'm so delighted to present this home to you. 4057 Eve Drive here in Seaford. It is listed for $799, but it is a completely gut renovated 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. New everything. New kitchen, countertops, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, fully redone bathrooms. You'll see when we get inside. But this is completely done from top to bottom. Newer siding, newer roof, absolutely beautiful with a really large yard, and it's a very quiet area. It's a very quiet street, but you are still close to all of the shopping and dining, as well as close to transportation, close to highways for an easy commute. So this really has it all, and there's really not as much sticker shock. I mean, there's, Long Island, like I said, Long Island is insane these days, but you're really getting a lot of value with this home. Before we go inside and take a look, click on the link below to get in touch with me if you're interested in seeing this home, or if you'd like to sell a home and you'd like to look at my 100-point marketing plan for getting your home sold for top dollar. Click in the links below. There's also a link on my calendar to book an appointment with me, and of course you can always call or just text me. Again, my name is Anthony Labella at eXp Realty. Let's go inside and take a look.